just took the leg off the camper and separating from the motor. This was the motor side, and this was the leg, so this was on top of here. And the components that were separated was the outside tube and the inside leg with the Happi screw. This is the top that marries the motor to the Happi screw. These are all the gears. These operate. These were all cleaned, all degreased, and they're in very good condition. I'm gonna paint this a primer black so that I can get it prepared for the Raptor coating that was done on the first one here. So this is what it looks like together, and now it's all apart. So I've prepared it, I've sanded it, 80 grit to break the surface. I've washed it with acetone to clean it. And now I'm just going to put a coat of primer before I put on the Raptor line. This will stop any rust from building up underneath the Raptor liner. Get like a heavy grease buildup, so you wipe it on and you wipe it off. You have a nice coating in here. This is a marine grease. More flash.